cookbooks and cooks. We're entering week 6 of the library's closure due to the safer at home orders. So we're really focusing on our digital collection since that is what our patrons have access to. So I've been featuring cookbooks that are available on our digital collections, Hoopla, as well as Libby. And this week, this cookbook is out of Hoopla, and it's The Best Soups in the World is the title. It's by Clifford A. Wright. Clifford A. Wright is a well-known cook, chef, author, and he focuses a lot on soups all the time, but he is also a food historian. So his books and recipes are always really interesting mixes of recipes with a lot of culinary history throughout the world. This particular book, The Best Soups in the World, or The Best Soups of the World, I should say, was published in 2010, but I just discovered it last week during my Hoopla browsing. And the book is really broad. It has 14 chapters and a lot of in-depth research has been done on all of the soups, and he really encourages the reader to really go as homemade as possible. So there's a whole chapter on broths and creating broths, but he also doesn't shy away from allowing the reader and the home cook to take some easy steps by buying canned vegetables or canned broths or box broths. So the recipes included, as I mentioned, there's a whole chapter dedicated to broths. There's clear soups, there's smooth soups, vegetarian soups. There are soups with grains as the base, minestrones, seafood soups, chilled soups. So looking through it, it was pretty overwhelming because there's so many choices, and I do have a lot of spices from all around the world, so I, could really experiment. But I thought this time I would go to something that's really basic and really comforting and easy to find. So I decided to make a cream of tomato soup, which is in the cream smooth soup chapter. And I thought, what better than a bowl of creamy tomato soup with a grilled cheese sandwich for comfort. So I decided to do that, but this book is chock full of really interesting recipes, really helpful appendix. There's an appendix on internet food shopping, which I think a lot of people are doing right now, and another appendix where the recipes are divided up by region. But today we're gonna go for good old-fashioned American comfort of creamy tomato soup and a grilled cheese sandwich. So hope you enjoy, and hope you get to check out this book and other cookbooks on Hoopla and Libby and Overdrive while we're staying safer at home. Thank you, and be well. All right, you ready to eat?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do, I need a creamy tomato soup and grilled cheese. So it's comfort today.
It looks amazing. I love the colors. Yummy.
I'm gonna have mine in a cup. I always like to sip that.
Cheers.
Cheers. Let me try this.
Wow.
It's really yummy. It's super silky.
Yeah, creamy and salty.
Yeah.